right, so today we have a veterinary formula. We have a veterinary formula for flea and tick shampoo for your pets. We purchased this. This was not sent to us by the company. Just wanted to kind of go over everything on it. So you got a little top there that pops open, nice. And you got a little seal here. There we go. All right, let's see what it smells like. Okay. Wow, doesn't to me it doesn't smell bad at all. It's not, has a little bit of that, smell that it needs to kill fleas and ticks, of course. But so for those wondering, the active ingredients are listed right there, and you can see that it contains whatever that is, which is from flowers to kill fleas and ticks on contact. There's your directions. Looks like you can use it on horses, ferrets, cats, dogs, puppies, and kittens over the age of 12 weeks. Do not repeat treatment for 7 days. And then your storage and disposal information, and first aid if it gets in your eyes, if it gets on your skin or clothing, or if it's inhaled. Oh, okay. Take off contaminated clothing. Rinse skin immediately with plenty of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Call a poison control center or a doctor for treatment advice. And there's some company information of where it came from in North Carolina, apparently. And so really that's it. That's all I can show you. Of course, can't really show you this working, but we bought it and I wanted to kind of do a little walk around of the bottle to show you what you'd be getting and what's in it. I know a lot of people will find that interesting. We did use this on our animals. Seemed to work great. I haven't seen a flea on them in a week or so. So 2 thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.